How to use your tax preparer bot. Now, in the first tutorial, I will link it below. I talked about how to set up all of your set up your tax team and to set up all of your bots to go in your tax team. And then on the last video, I talked about the back end of your ChatGPT, and then also I talked about your AI admin. This video, we're going to talk about how to set up your tax preparer bot and what you can actually use it for. One of the great things that you can use it for is to reduce your constant client questions. So the tax preparer bot is basically like a tax assistant, and it can explain things in plain English, and it gives clear guidance to your clients, and it helps to answer questions faster. For example, like I said on the first video, like I have client questions all the time. They will text me or they will email me. Some people will call me, but they ask me different things. And so with the bot, I'm able to take it and maybe, if I don't have the time to research, etc., I can have it go to the irs.gov website, research the question, put it in plain English, and then come back with the answer that I can format and send to my clients. So this is a helpful tool not only for tax preparers and accountants, but it can also help, like I said, in any business, especially if you need more information or background that you need to provide to your clients. You can also use this bot to explain tax concepts, like I said, answer your clients' frequently asked questions. It'll help you prepare your responses. It will break down complicated rules and regulations. It will also turn the IRS language into real world language, and it can help you to make it plain for them and make it relate specifically to them. Say you have a contractor or a construction worker that owns his own business, and you're doing their taxes and you want the rules from the IRS to actually relate directly to him, well, then you can have a ChatGPT, this group chat, your tax person or your tax bot, help you with that information. So when a client asks you something like, do I need to file quarterly taxes? You can type something like this into your chat group. So we're still in our chat group. That's what I've been showing you thus far. So let me put this into the chat for you. Hold on, I don't know. So then in your tax team ChatGPT group chat, you're going to type in tax preparer bot. Explain whether this client needs estimated payments and why. Again, I will take that prompt and put it down in the description box for you, and you click on it to see what they're going to say. The bot should come back with clear, simple explanation that you can send directly to your client, or you can pass it to your admin bot to turn it into an email. And then you're going to use your QA bot to make sure the information is correct. And remember, last time I talked about the QA bot. The QA bot is basically quality assurance, looking at it, making sure the information is correct. So see how this says a client needs to make estimated tax payments if they aren't having enough taxes withheld during the year. The IRS requires estimated payments when both of these are true. It gives you the rules, and then it explains why they would want to do it, and then it gives it in plain English that you can translate to your client. So for the full tutorial that I did last week, you can go ahead and click the link below and in the description box to take you over to that tutorial so that you can see how I set up the tax team. And make sure that you keep watching because I'm going to come back here on the next video and talk about the QA bot, the quality assurance bot, and how it can help keep you out of trouble. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.